So in the last video, I asked you to think about streaming services for music and physical formats for music, and try and think about the life cycle of how those both work and also some of the triple bottom line impacts of each of those. So as you were thinking through that, you might have thought with physical formats, yeah, you can hold that thing in your hand, you can see what materials it's made of, you can think of the petroleum that had to be extracted and ores that had to be extracted and manufacturing that had to occur to bring that into your hands. With something like streaming, it might not be as apparent all the pieces that go into it, but we have this whole cell system infrastructure, internet, server farms, fiber optic cables. There's a lot of physical pieces that go into it that we might not think about. So when we do an LCA, we actually dive into all these pieces that we might not think about when we're thinking about what makes up something, and make sure we're accounting for all of them. On the human side of things, we also can think about like for streaming services with electronics, we can think about conflict minerals. There's a very human side to where a lot of the minerals that go into semiconductors come from. We can think about the impact on the musicians themselves. So streaming has really changed that industry and made it different for the artists as well. So there's a lot of human aspects as well that we can get into if we start doing a triple bottom line. And if we're looking at environmental as well, there's a lot of energy that goes into supporting all this physical infrastructure for streaming. There's also energy for our physical formats for making them and charging the batteries and stuff like that. But people have actually done life cycle analysis of this comparison, and it's around 27 times. If you listen to an album, it's actually better on an energy basis to use a physical format versus a streaming format, because you're not having to access that whole network of things every time you want to access a song. You already have it in one place. So kind of interesting to think about all the stuff behind the scenes, and that's what you do when you do life cycle and triple bottom line thinking.